I'm just making my coffee real quick and I'll be right up there to make my video. Don't you worry, baby. I'm coming.
Thanks for being so patient with me. I do appreciate. Coffee's here. Now, the ones we have today, well, obviously, I'm sure it's going to be the title of the video, but this is called Declassified for Her. And I think Declassified is the name of the brand, not just like the name of the little bundle or whatever. So I think the brand is called Declassified, and this specific set is supposed to have 3 inspired by fragrances. So we have Crystal Rouge, which is compared to, it doesn't even say inspired by, it says compared to. That's some strong terminology. That means that it is basically identical. We'll find out. Anyways, Crystal Rouge compared to MFK's Baccarat Rouge 540, which is like a $300 fragrance, if you're unaware. Right. And we do have a few different inspirations, dupes, or whatever of that fragrance. So I'm curious to see how it holds up because I've never smelled the original. I just want to see if it smells like the other inspiration dupes or whatever that we smelled. We'll get to it. Anyways, then we have Cherry Craze compared to Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. Wow. Again, another expensive fragrance. I think that one is like 200 and something dollars, close to it. It's in the high hundreds, if not $200 for Tom Ford's fragrances as well. Right, very luxurious. Also, have never smelled that one either. I'm not a fan of cherry fragrances, but I will tell you if it smells like a jar of cherries or not, which I'm sure is most likely what you're looking for if you want something that smells like cherries. Right. Then last but not least, we have At First Blush compared to Killian's Love Don't Be Shy. Yes, another $300 fragrance. Yeah, very expensive. Now that one I have actually smelled. I have smelled the original. Yes, and it's not because I bought it. No, not rich enough to feel like I'm gonna go buy $300 fragrances. Not rich at all. Okay, just throw that out there. But also I'd had where is it? This right here. If you don't shop at Sephora, but you like fragrances, you need to try this. This is the Killian set, their little perfume sample set. It is so good. The mini discovery set from Killian Paris. And it has, which ones are in here? Princess, Love Don't Be Shy, which is the one that Rihanna wears. It's the good one. It's a fluffy floral marshmallow. So hot. Love Don't Be Shy, like a different one, a different version of it. There's 2 of them. Then there's Good Girl Gone Bad, and then Angels Share. It has some of their popular ones and some really good fragrances in here. I think it's like $40 for 5 of these little things, but so good. And they've lasted me. Like I still got, some of them still have perfumes in here, like fragrance in here, whatever. So really worth it in my opinion. Right, without further ado, we're gonna kick things off with Crystal Rouge first. I wanna see what this one smells like. If you've never smelled, well, I've never smelled the original Baccarat Rouge 540 either, so I can't really be like, it smells like this, because all I've smelled are the inspirations and like the dupes and stuff of it. So all of those, they typically just have like a sweetened spice to it. Right. I don't know how to explain the way that it smells. It's just like a sweetened, maybe woody spice or something like that, like saffron is one of the notes that I'm pretty sure is in there, but I don't know how to explain what saffron smells like. I don't know. Yes. Yes. It is a little lighter. It's a bit on the lighter side. Hopefully if the other 2 in here are really good, and you know, they can make up for that. It's not bad. Yes, it is very similar. Hold on, wait. This, I'm not gonna say it's the most accurate because again, never smelled the original, but it is by far the best inspiration or dupe of Baccarat Rouge that I have smelled. That's the best one that I like the way it smells. You know what I mean? Is this plastic? No, this is glass. It just feels very light because I put this one in my hand. Okay, this is Club de Nuit Untold from Armaf. It's the biggest bottle. I think this is like 150 milliliters. It's so big. Okay, hold on. Wait. Yes. Sexy. So sexy. This one I think is like it's like a little bit more spice to it, just a little bit more oomph, you know what I mean? This one though, the one out of the set that we're talking about, is good. It's, I would say maybe a little bit more perfumey, a little bit more feminine. Right. If you are, you know, and wear whatever you want, man or woman, but if you're a woman who does like a little bit more spice, a little bit more woods to her fragrances, right? One of the Baccarat Rouge inspirations. Try Club de Nuit. Yes. Or if the rest are good in this set, you know, maybe try this set out and you'll be very pleased with it. It's not bad. Okay, now, Cherry Craze. Let's see. This one, again, compared to... Oh, no, it's not coming. Okay. It's compared to Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. Right. I hope it doesn't smell like a jar of cherries, but like I'm sure that's what you want. I just hate cherries. Okay. Yeah. Ah! It's like a powdered boozy cherry. Is that what you want? Is that what you were hoping for? Ooh. Yeah, a powdered boozy cherry. There's no other way to describe it. It smells like a jar of cherries, a hint of booze from across the street. It's not super strong, you know, it's there, but it's not like, boom, liquor, you're drunk. You know what I mean? Right. But it's there. And then it's a little bit powdery. Like your girl just got out the shower and said, or your man, or whoever, you know what I mean. I feel like you say anything on the internet these days, people take it and run. They're like, oh my God, you said this, but you didn't say that. You must be this or feel this type of way. Calm down. Anyways. All right, let's see. Last but not least, At First Blush. Yes. Compared to Killian's Love Don't Be Shy. Please. This is one of my favorite fragrances of all time, is the Love Don't Be Shy. Oh my God. This set is so good. This set is really good. Oh man. I would say this is almost, because obviously they're not going to be identical. Right. This is almost a little bit more bubblegummy than Marshmallow Fluffy, in my opinion. Yeah, I would say this is a bit more on the bubblegum side than like Fluffy Marshmallow, but it's there. The inspiration is there. It almost kind of smells like neroli, orange blossom, bubblegum, instead of like, you know, marshmallow. But I feel like I still get the neroli and orange blossom that's in actual Love Don't Be Shy. For the set, hold on, how much was this? Babe, 40 bucks on sale for $19. Right. Right, $18.99 right now on the TikTok shop. Okay. I will link this down in the description. This one, I feel like if you've been interested in these fragrances, maybe not just like this bundle, but like these fragrances in general, but you don't want to spend, how much would it be? Because almost 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, like almost $1,000, like $900 to $1,000 on the real versions of these fragrances. I think 20 bucks is a very good deal. I don't know about you. Right. But very good. As far as, you know, how long they last, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe not that long for 20 bucks. I really don't know. I'm sorry. Other than that though, I think that is so good. For 20 bucks, blown away. Declassified is so good. I don't know. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Actually, because the next video I wanted to do was talking about confessions and not my own from other people. I'm just so curious to see what people have been up to. What crazy things are y'all doing out here in the world? Well, I think we know, but I don't know. I like reading confessions and I figured you guys would have a hoot and a holler from that one. So we're going to have that tomorrow's video. Get ready. Let me know if you've tried these. the declassified versions of them. And if you have, let me know what you think. And I love you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.